Wednesday, December 15, 2021, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. So I'm a big fan of watching The Pioneer Woman on Food Network, and today was my first time opening a Pioneer Woman coffee in the coffee advent calendar. This is cinnamon roll coffee. Here we go. I try to review these as unbiased as possible, but I actually hate cinnamon coffee. This one, I think it's pretty good. It's not like an artificial cinnamon. It does taste like real cinnamon. It's not too overpowering like most cinnamon coffees are. I taste like a slight sweet cream flavor, like an icing. And for some reason, even though it's not part of the flavor profile, it has almost like a caramel pecan flavor. I'm surprised because it's cinnamon coffee, but I'm going to give Pioneer Woman Cinnamon Roll 5 out of 5 Christmas coffees. Cheers.